Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana and Cardano. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a friendly reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of BTC against the USDC on 1 day time frame. If we discuss the BTC on 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidating where the support of this consolidation zone is at 89,174 and the resistance of this consolidation zone is at 108,394. Currently prices are moving at 96,105. So if you want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get its prices at 89,174, and you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 89,000 if you buy at 89,174. And after that your first target will be around 97,600 and your final target will be at 108,394. But you need to make sure that if the Bitcoin break 89,000 level in upcoming days, then it will simply start its downtrend and its prices can fall even way further downside. So the next coin is Ethereum. If we discuss the Ethereum on a 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidating and its current price is at 2,798. The support of this consolidation zone is at 2,100 and the resistance of this consolidation zone is at 4,100. If you want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get your buying price at 2,100 and you put your stop loss below 2,000 level. After that your first target will be around 2,965 and your final target will be the resistance of this consolidation zone, that is at 4,100. The next coin is Binance coin BNB. So if we discuss the BNB on 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidation. It is consolidating in rising channel formation where where its current prices are at 657. The support of this channel formation is at 511, and the resistance of this channel formation is at 820. So if you want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that either you get its buying price at 511. You go for buying into this coin at this level and you put your stop loss below the support of this channel formation, that would be around 500. After that your first target will be around 660 and your final target will be the resistance of this consolidation zone, that is channel formation, that would be around 820. And the other scenario is that the prices don't come on this support level and they simply start moving upside, and if it gives breakout above the level of 732, then again you can go for buying into this coin and your final target will be around 820, but you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 650. So these are the two scenarios in which we can trade in this coin. The next coin is Solana. So for Solana, you simply need to go on my YouTube channel and I uploaded a dedicated technical analysis video on Solana Sol yesterday, and I analyzed it on even a smaller time frame where I showed that if you want to trade in this coin, what are the important levels that you need to keep in your mind before trading in this coin Solana. So for information about the Solana, you can simply watch this video. I will attach the link of this video on I button as well. The next coin is Cardano ADA. So if we look at the ADA USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is consolidating in this falling channel formation. Its current price is at 0.7712 and the support of this channel formation is at 0.5271 and the resistance of this channel formation is at 1.0324. If you want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get buying price at the support of this channel formation, that is around 0.5271. After that, your first target will be around 0.8392, and your final target will be around the resistance of this channel formation, that would be around 1.0324. So I have discussed these coins on 1 day time frame. If you want to get alerts on smaller time frame like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30 hour time frame, for those you can simply join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video descriptions. So that's all for now. See you in next video.